Hello there everyone, my name is Korak. For a long time now I was looking for a quality smartphone and that's when I came across this one, the OnePlus Nord CE 5G. So let's start unboxing. The most impressive thing about the OnePlus Nord CE 5G is its 64 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel triple rear camera. It has a 1080p video capacity that will deliver beyond expectations each time you take a picture or shoot a video. It also has a 16 megapixel front camera for clear selfies. The phone's 6.43-inch display makes watching videos and movies a complete delight. You can also choose among 3 different storage sizes as you need. With its Alexa hands-free capability, you can easily play music, make calls, hear news, open apps, navigate, and do much more. The phone is lightweight, high on features, and easy to travel with. Sharing and transfers is also quite simple. This phone comes in the stylish charcoal ink color, but also has 2 other colors, Blue Void and Silver Ray. After using this phone for the last 1 month, I can tell you that this one packs a beast of a camera and multiple other cool features. Give it a try yourself.